To fix this problem, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu and now scroll down below to search for Snapchat. When you find it, just tap on it for some while. Then now tap over here. And when you tap there, you're going to get into Snapchat app info. So what you have to do when you get here is to tap on storage and cache. Then tap on a clear cache. Now go back, tap on the first stop, then tap on OK. Tap on permissions and make sure the show notification is toggled on. After that, go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure the background data is toggled on. So after doing all this, tap on permissions and make sure you have allow every permission over here, which is very important. So after doing this, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu again and try to search for Google Play Store. So tap on the Google Play Store app. When you tap on it, try to search for Snapchat and tap on it. Now tap on the update to get the latest update of Snapchat. So after updating your device or after updating your Snapchat account, what you have to do is to tap on power button for some while, then you tap on restart, then you tap on OK, and this problem is going to be fixed. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends.